Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a detailed review of a crypto tool called CryptoKit. So let's get started. Introducing to you this world first white label software to grow a crypto nest egg from scratch, without investing, mining, trading or flipping. Just hibernate your way through the crypto dip and come out ready to feast voraciously on the other side. You'll be getting tons of features in this white label crypto app like brandable white label crypto software. Also you can add logo and activate your monetized crypto app. Done for you instant activation and setup. Inbuilt crypto wallet creator. Pre-installed fully functional DEX. Decentralized exchange earns admin service fees. Gamified reward system drops regular tokens. Automated coin flip and lottery monetization systems. Nothing to install. Mac, PC and mobile friendly. You can use it on any platform. Admin and membership app is cloud hosted. Also you can claim payments direct to your own crypto wallet. Plus special bonus like viral affiliate traffic add-on. To give your CryptoKit website a big push in the traffic department, we're also equipping it with an automatically enabled affiliate traffic system. Your members are offered an affiliate link to share that will automatically reward them with 10% of whatever their friends earn on your site. They'll excitedly see their balance grow, earning them passive crypto coins, while your website gets busier with more people clicking ads, playing games and earning you much more. There's nothing to set up or configure, it's ready to go and start snowballing your membership base right out the gate. Automated blog content for hands-free traffic. Simply add up to 5 RSS feeds and your blog will be automatically updated whenever those RSS feeds have new content to share. This gives your blog a lot of fresh activity completely hands-free. It's as simple as copy and pasting a link and your blog will start pulling in new content. Better yet, we will enable a function allowing you to reward your members with automated tokens for viewing and sharing your articles. Each share will cost you about 1-2 cents. They can claim every 24 hours. Talk about cheap traffic. Now is the time to fill your bags. Without any out-of-pocket investing, beta testers earn Bitcoin and other tokens without having to buy any cryptocurrencies, trade, create or flip NFTs, read charts or stress about whether it's going up or down. A market downturn is always one of the most affordable times to invest as prices are noticeably lower, meaning that entry is more accessible. And the market rebound could result in significantly increased earnings. To be clear, nobody knows for certain what the future holds for crypto. I'm not at all predicting where things could or couldn't go, but it's interesting to observe that historically, crypto prices have seen a positive ROI over time despite experiencing severe ups and downs along the way. For example, Bitcoin has still earned returns of over 660% over the last 5 years even after facing multiple major downturns over that time. With more global acceptance from major players in online and offline companies, cryptocurrency is where the money's at. Right now, you can spend Bitcoin or cryptocurrency at a lot of very well-known businesses, including Microsoft, PayPal, Lamborghini, Starbucks, Virgin and many more. There are literally thousands of places you can spend the Bitcoin you earn now or save it up for the future. Let's see what CryptoKit is offering its users. With CryptoKit you'll get multiple automated crypto systems in a beautifully packaged white label app. Beginner-friendly activation. Any average person, completely new to the system, has their entire crypto site set up, branded and profit-ready in about 1 minute. There's no editing code, no designing pages, no tricky configurations. Everything is done in your easy-to-use members dashboard. Brandable crypto software. Make your website have the look and feel you want by customizing the colors, changing the text and uploading your own logo. It's got the professional feel of a high-end website to build trust and authority right out of the box. Crypto wallet creator. Visitors arriving on your website will be prompted to connect their crypto wallet, or if they don't have one they can create a wallet on your website. making this easy even for people who've never heard about crypto before. It's safe, secure and completely anonymous, so anyone can get their start on your website in a snap. DEX Trading Platform. Your website lets people to use their credit cards to buy Bitcoin, or Ethereum, Solana or any other cryptocurrency in the system. They can trade between currencies or send and receive tokens to customers or friends. You'll receive an admin transaction fee for every transaction, added directly into your wallet. Also, CryptoKit offers gamified rewards system. Members of your website are offered the chance to claim regular crypto rewards for just clicking a few buttons. In their first demo CryptoKit website, they offered up to 50 Satoshi coins every 15 minutes. To claim their coins, they click here to start, then they'll see your second ad and solve the CAPTCHA. Then on this page they'll see your third ad displayed and how much they've won. What your member doesn't realize is that while you're paying them 50 Satoshi, which sounds exciting and can definitely add up, it only costs you about 1 or 2 cents. The ads you just displayed earned you between 0.00002 and 0.00005 of Bitcoin, which might not sound like much, but right now that works out to about 50 cents to $1 worth of Bitcoin. That's every 15 minutes. From just one member. Imagine what this could look like with 10, 50 or 100 people active on your site, or crazier still, what if the price of Bitcoin doubles, triples or more? How high the price of Bitcoin goes over these coming years is anyone's guess. Here you can see some additional games like engaging lottery game, addictive coin flip game. Each time they play, your ads are also displayed, boosting your advertising earnings even further. Let's see what your member experiences on your website. When someone arrives on your website, they'll be asked to connect their wallet, or create one on your website. This happens automatically, no tech setup required. They'll be able to buy or sell or trade crypto and claim crypto tokens as a reward every 15 minutes, instantly displayed in their members' dashboard. You choose the coin and the percentage to reward them. They can claim rewards every 15 minutes, plus invite their friends, earning them a 10% bonus of whatever their friends earn. This boosts their rewards. Here's what you receive every single time your member claims the reward. Earn fees. You'll get an admin fee every time someone buys crypto, trades between various currencies or sends from their wallet, sent directly to your own crypto wallet. Arbitrage rewards. Your member will see 3 ads earning you anywhere between 0.00002 and 0.00005 Bitcoin. You set the percentage to give your member and how much you want to keep. Example: giving 20% profits for every ad they view will pocket 4 times as much. Take the profit. You'll be instantly rewarded seeing your balance grow in your admin dashboard. You can connect your wallet and withdraw it in use, or display ads directly and get paid Bitcoin direct to your wallet. You choose. Every 15 minutes, for every member. Day in, day out. A special bonus for my viewers: if you purchase CryptoKit from the link in the description box, then you'll be getting a special bonus gift from me. In order to get that, you have to send me a screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, and I'll send it to you. That's for all today. Thanks for watching.